Cafepress Print On Demand review. We are going to talk about features, pros, and cons. Cafepress is a well-known print-on-demand (POD) service that allows individuals and businesses to create and sell custom products online. Established in 1999, Cafepress offers a platform for designers to upload their artwork and have it printed on a variety of products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. This review will explore the features, pros, cons, and provide a conclusion on the effectiveness and usability of Cafepress for POD services. Features. Product variety. Cafepress offers a wide range of products including clothing, home decor, accessories, stationery, and gifts. This diversity allows sellers to reach a broad audience. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be easy to navigate, making it simple for users to upload designs and customize products. Customization options. Cafepress provides various customization tools, allowing users to add text, images, and select from different product colors and styles. Global reach. With an international shipping option, sellers can reach customers around the world. Marketplace integration. Products can be listed on the Cafepress marketplace, which attracts millions of visitors, providing greater exposure for designs. No upfront costs. There are no initial fees to start selling on Cafepress, making it accessible for anyone to begin their POD business. For pros. Ease of use. The platform is intuitive and straightforward, making it accessible for beginners. Product diversity. A wide range of products to choose from ensures that sellers can cater to different market niches. No inventory management. As a POD service, Cafepress handles all aspects of production, inventory, and shipping. Global shipping. The ability to ship products worldwide expands the potential customer base. Integrated marketplace. Selling through the Cafepress marketplace can increase visibility in sales without additional marketing efforts. Cons. Lower profit margins. Compared to other POD platforms, Cafepress has relatively lower profit margins due to higher base prices for products. Limited design control. Some users find the customization options to be limited compared to other platforms that offer more advanced design tools. Competitive marketplace. The marketplace is saturated with a vast number of products, making it challenging for new designs to stand out. Payout threshold. Cafepress has a minimum payout threshold, meaning sellers must reach a certain amount in sales before they can receive their earnings. Cafepress offers a robust platform for individuals and businesses looking to enter the print-on-demand market. Its user-friendly interface, diverse product offerings, and integrated marketplace make it an attractive option for new and experienced sellers alike. However, lower profit margins, limited design control, and quality control issues are significant drawbacks to consider. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.